Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use remote start on Nissan Murano, updated. Press lock twice, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds to start the engine remotely. Keep doors locked while the vehicle runs and avoid repeatedly cranking if it fails. If the engine does not start, check the hood sensor, brake pedal position, or fob battery, then try again using the same safe steps. Begin by standing within range of your Murano with the key fob. Press lock once to secure doors, then press lock a second time and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds until lights flash. Watch for dash indicators and a horn chirp as confirmation. If the vehicle fails to respond, move closer, replace the fob battery, or cycle the ignition manually to reset the remote start system. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that stack neatly and seal tightly for commute lunches or trips. They save time and keep your car smelling fresh after long drives. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Always observe safety. Remote start will not engage if the hood is open or a door is not fully closed. The system may run only for a preset interval, so plan timing to avoid battery drain or wasted fuel. Never use remote start in an enclosed space like a garage, and avoid leaving pets or people unattended. When you return, unlock and enter normally, then press brake to take control of the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.